If you followed the RC videos, I had a problem. Couldn't get this thing to go straight down the road. Well, now it goes nicely straight, just maybe a hint. I need to get a fan placed on order. It's a coming. This car's been with me for a good 10 years about. What fun it is. I don't think I could afford a body, because the body's very expensive. But I'll make sure it lasts a lot longer. Here's some video. Enjoy the footage. And get some footage of yours out there. How'd you like that? Racing along a scooter. That's the fun I have. I like to relax and go back and forth, back and forth. That's my fun. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other RC videos.